Okay, so let's begin with the second part, that is installation of Nmap in Ubuntu. Okay, before that we have to update our packages, that is sudo apt-get update. Okay, and hit enter. Over here it's updating our packages. It will take few minutes to update because there are n number of packages going updates. So once now we are done with the updation, let's check whether we have nmap or not by typing the command nmap -- version. So over here you can see we do not have nmap. So we will get to install it using the command, that is sudo snap install nmap and hit enter. Okay, so it's downloading this stable nmap version. So it will also take few minutes to download the nmap. So once we are done with the installation part of nmap on Ubuntu, we're going to check whether which version has been installed in our Ubuntu, as well as whether we can do a particular scan or not. Okay, let's give it a few minutes to install the nmap. Okay, so now we are done with the installation part. So let's check whether the Nmap has successfully installed in our Ubuntu or not. So for that, again type command nmap -- version and hit enter. So over here, as you can see, we have Nmap version, that is 7.94. Okay, now let's check what we can do. So first we will clear the screen and let's check nmap -add. So over here we will have a list of flags. Okay, so as you can see we have a list of flags, and we have examples to scan as well. So let's check for the examples given by nmap itself. For that we will have scan, that is nmap scan me dot nmap dot org and hit enter. Okay, it started scanning of the for the domain scan. Okay, sorry, we have given the wrong domain name. Let's check for nmap scan me dot nmap dot org. Okay, that is scan me and again hit enter. So it's very important to be very specific about the domain name. So it has been started scanning for the scanme.nmap.org. It will again take few minutes because it's trying to discover the network which ports and services are running on scanme.nmap.org. Okay, so we get the output that there are 4 ports or services been running and all 4 ports are open right now. Okay, so that's all for the installation of Nmap on Ubuntu. Thank you so much. Now we will go next for the installation of Nmap on Kali.